Namaste everyone. In this video we will be modeling another of the parts from the screw jack assembly, that is part number 6, called as the screw. This one is a smaller screw actually. So let's proceed. Let me increase the size of this so that you can clearly see it. Once again we'll have to go with a new file, choose part and ensure the units are set to mmgs. Go for sketch, choose front plane, and now we have to start drawing the cross section. The cross section of the screw is somewhat like this. Draw a sketch. Start here, go straight, down a bit, straight, at an angle, close it. Let's fade the dimensions. For dimensions, diameter, we'll have to convert this to construction. And click this and this. Click on the other side to give diameter 12. Then we need this as 6. From this point to this, we want 6. Then total length is 30. Total length is 30. And this diameter, you can see in the side view, is 24. So this point to this, okay, we didn't get it. Select this point and this center line. Click. That's going to be 24. You can see our diagram has become completely black. Let's convert this back to a solid line and go for features, revolve. Select the axis and click here on this line and we will get our screw. We still need this cut over here with this. Let's go for another sketch. Expand this, choose front plane, orient this properly by pressing space bar, selecting here, take a center rectangle, click here and on this edge. The depth is 3 and this is 2. So depth is 3. It's already about almost 3. This length is 2. And that should come exactly at the center. So let's select this, press Ctrl and select origin, click horizontal. You can see the whole diagram has become black. So let's come out, go to feature, extrude cut, select through all both sides and select OK. So you can see this part has been created for us. Let's go ahead and save it in the same folder as screw jack with the name screw small. Enter. That's it for this video. In the next one we will take another part. Thank you.